How do you think? Will she handle it? She is so tender and fragile.
Don't be silly. She survived such horror when she was little. Of course, she will survive this time.
If she lives with us any longer, she won't be able to come back to her true home.
You are right. I hope that Lily will like to live in the jungles and find her real family.
The tranquilizers will soon wear off. We must leave before she wakes up. Farewell, Lillian.
Where am I? This place looks so different from my home, but yet almost familiar. And where are my two-legged parents? I even don't smell them. Maybe I need to look around. This place is so huge and empty. I used to like to be surrounded by two-legged. I feel so lonely. What is this creature? Maybe it's friendly. Hey. Hello. What is your... I guess he wasn't friendly after all. I need to catch my breath. It was really scary. Just a little rest. Oh no. I don't belong here either. I can't believe this happening to me. Maybe it's just a dream. And if I sleep hard, I will wake up and everything will go back to normal. I am so tired. It won't be so hard. Yes. It's just a bad dream.
Who is this tigress? There were no tigers on my territory for a while. Yesterday she was not here. Like she popped up from nowhere. Suspicious. But yesterday there were a lot of very loud and busy two-legged. They bring her here. I better keep an eye on her. From the shadows. Two-legged bring no good to my jungles.
What is it? I feel someone's presence.